trying to force a child on you through rape and through sexual assault, so that you can go through the pains and the horrors that you have to go through as a indigenous woman in America with children. Um, you know, for any woman who's not aware that men use this as a weapon against you, trying to get you knocked up and pregnant, so you can be worrying about if they're going to bring their sorry ass home, or if they're going to help you out with the child, if they're going to participate in trying to raise this child up to be a productive citizen or a productive individual in the world. Oh yes, it is a nuclear weapon and has been for a very long time. And they are fully aware of it. And that is one of the reasons why, again, I'm under this kind of attack, because I was not stupid enough to link myself up with a dumb ass motherfucker with a dick and balls, with their little sorry ass lies and all their sorry ass excuses about why they can't do this and they can't do that. Because we live in a world and a society where it's perfectly okay and acceptable for these dumbass ingrates to roll around spreading their seed and abandoning the woman on top of that. Yeah, that's what these motherfuckers wanted from me. And because I was smart enough to have the discipline to say no, now they make this plan of, well, we're going to force it on her by drugging her, sedating her, and raping and violating her, and trying to force this lifestyle upon her, trying to force this nightmare into her life. And then you have these men who see you going through something like this and still trying to do the same thing. And to add insult to injury, they include experiments trying to destroy your womb with radiation, applying radiation to your genitalia directly, raw radiation. Because man is a fucking monster. Always have been, always will be. They destroy everything in their sight. The earth, animals, women, children, even themselves. Go take a gander at a prison and see what they are doing with their bodies. Sick ass beings that need to be put the fuck down, casted out of society. And I don't want to hear nobody's rebuttal. You can save that shit for somebody who cares and somebody who wants to hear it, because I do not. If you do not agree with what I have to say, turn the channel. It's no secret. This has been one of the attacks on the indigenous woman, the black woman in America, since the beginning of time. That's the reason why there's no black father in the home. There's no husband in the home. It's got nothing to do with all this yibber-yabbery, gibberish. No, it's them. It's their mindset. It's their mindset and their brain who wants to rebel, who wants to make the enemy out of the woman. That's what it is. That's what it's always been. And now you're able to see it play itself out on full stage, that they just want to be you. They want to outdo you. Never in their life wanted to take care of a fucking child. but now they want to carry them. They are sociopaths, psychos, monsters. That is the real reason why this gang stalking program exists. It is the reason why our world is in the condition that it's in. Man. MAN.